Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a walkie-talkie at home. We'll start by understanding the fundamental principle of how these devices communicate. You'll discover that building a basic walkie-talkie involves transmitting and receiving radio waves, a fascinating concept. This project is a fantastic way to learn about electronics, and with a few simple components, you can create your own communication device. Let's dive right into the exciting world of DIY radio. To begin your walkie-talkie adventure, you'll need a few key components. Each unit requires a 9-volt battery for power, ensuring clear communication. You'll also need a small speaker, which cleverly functions as both a microphone and a speaker. Don't forget a push-button switch for transmitting and a small antenna to send and receive those vital radio signals. Finally, a small circuit board will serve as the foundation for your creation. Now, let's put everything together. First, carefully connect your 9-volt battery to the power input on your circuit board. Next, wire the small speaker to both the audio input and output points. Then, attach the push-button switch to the transmit circuit, allowing you to control when you speak. Finally, solder the antenna securely to its designated connection point. Remember to repeat these exact steps for your second walkie-talkie unit to complete the pair. Once both units are assembled, it's time for the exciting test. Have a friend take one unit while you hold the other. Press the transmit button, speak clearly, and listen for your voice on the other unit. Experiment with antenna length. Sometimes a slightly longer or shorter antenna, perhaps around 6 inches, can improve signal strength. For added protection and a professional look, consider enclosing your walkie-talkies in a small, custom-made casing. Enjoy your new communication devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.